Hi. So our previous session was activity linking. In our activity relationship session, I already told some points. Same applies here also. We need to link each and every activities. If there are lots of activities, it will take that much of time also. So activity linking will take time. Now for reducing that time, what we used to do is we will print the schedule, then we will mark those relationships there. Then we will use that document for linking activities. That will be easy. We can select activities, then right click and select the option link activities. There is an option for linking. When we select that, all the activities will get the FS relationship, finish to start. This applies for finish to start activities only. Through Excel also we can make the relationship, but that's a little complicated. Compared to Excel, the easy method is to give a relationship through Primavera only. Now collecting information for linking, which activity linked to which, that information we must collect. About those I already told in our activity relationship session. These are the things we need to take care while linking activities. It's a time taking process, so take your own time. Once linking gets affected, dates get affected, date gets affected, float gets affected, the dates and floats affected, resource, man-hour calculation, cost calculation, everything will get affected, project end date will get affected. So always try to give correct relationship. Okay, then see you in a session.